Okay, so we're still looking at the probability assessment. We're on number 6. It says the table shows information about the types of pizza and the number of each type ordered by 60 customers. So I don't even actually have to add these up together because I know that it's already 60 people. But then it says if 150 customers order pizza, how many would you expect to order cheese? So looking at cheese, in just asking my 60 people, there were 36 that said they like cheese. So 36 is the favorable, 60 is my total. And remember, I told you that anytime you're having to make a prediction, it says if 150, okay, I'm making a guess, not so much a guess, but an educated inference. We've got 60 here, we have 150 here, we have to set up a proportion. Before I start dealing with this, now this is my unknown, because that's the number of people that would say cheese if 150 people were asked, I would want to deal with this 36 out of 60. Big numbers, but I can simplify. So the least I can do is say, well, 36 and 60 are both even. I can divide by 2. So half of 36 is going to be 18. And if you don't know that, you work it out to the side. And then half of 60 is going to be 30. Now I'm going to stop there. I can continue to simplify, but I've noticed that I can see a shortcut. And 30 to 150 is simple multiplication. Now, let's look at these. I already know that 112 is way too many to say that they like cheese out of 150. So that's kind of my unreasonable, too large of an answer. And then 36, that would only be multiplying by 2. And I can't go from 30 to 150 by multiplying by 2. So that's clearly too small. At this point, I have a 50-50 chance of even guessing and getting it right. So my thoughts are, 3 times what gives me 15? Well, I know it's times 5. So I could double check. And I don't have a calculator on this test, but 5 times 0 is 0, and 5 times 3 is 15. So there we go. Multiplying by 5, and then 18 times 5. I'll multiply that out. 5 times 8 is 40, carry the 4. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 4 is 90. So my correct answer is 90 customers.